A lot of people today. Oh, it's a video. Oh my god.
Excuse me. Sorry. You know where the boat is?
No, what, sorry?
The boat? In Osaka Castle at the moment. Have a look. There's an entrance fee. 400 yen to go inside. First time I'm not wearing a jacket. It's 15 degrees. Beautiful. Oh my god!
Why does it sound like ice cream? Why does that sound like ice cream? Why does that sound so... What a dick move by the driver. Castle. Definitely a castle. I don't think it's plum. I don't think it's sakura season yet. I think these are plum. It is actually the first time I'm not wearing a jacket. It's 15 degrees in Osaka Castle here. First time in this whole trip. Oh, it's nice weather. Yeah, what's this? Cheese? What's it? Cute. Also got some squid. Squid. They got squid here as well. And I don't know what that says. squid looks nice, but
It's up to you.
Just pork, that's beef.
hey,
Pork and beef.
pork and beef. Okay, thank you. There's pork and beef vinegar. Looks nice. That's the matcha one.
Uh-huh.
This is what it looks like. There's cream cheese,
Where's
red
the,
beans,
There's the red bean.
custard
the red
cream, chocolate cream. Maybe I can try the matcha cream.
The red bean.
Wait, so it's matcha. Maybe I'll try. Maybe. Can I get matcha cream?
Matcha, Pak? Okay,
Please.
300.
Got some matcha. Okay. Alright, let's give this a try. Matcha.